Put her on fire and you're ready to go.
Where this thing here is just a funky stuff, you know. Alright, hold it.
I want to try something real quick.
Okay. You done yet?
I seen how much flash came out of it last time.
There's a lot of forward.
Here, hold on to the gun. Actually, raise her up to the moon.
That's pretty decent.
Okay.
Chuck over here!
I want to see what kind of difference it actually makes.
Go get some water!
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that felt fucked up. I want to see that engine block.
Did you get that on video, John?
Oh yeah, it's going.
That engine block has got to be completely fucked.
Pretty sure
Freaking formidable weapon.
What?
There you go. Slap it down, you're ready to rock. Alright.
Okay, so when you bring this ladder, boy, that looks like a brand
Yep, bring her back. Lock her up. Visually inspect. Alright, we're golden.
Hey, mine's louder.
That's nice.
The porta john
I like that.
Where's
Brad? I think he must be up there.
Yeah.
This one's
I figured he drove me over here. I was going to let him shoot.
I realize that's a ripple.
Really?
There is a difference.
I don't know anything about it.
Him.
Put that fire out, it's burning pretty good.
What I do is I run it out.
Only 3 rounds in there. That's all I got left.
Hot fire.
Sure? Yeah?
He just wanted a couple of flops. My buddy.
Yeah, I did get one of those.
Right there's my
These guys are saying.
lip dick pat. Kind of turn her like that. Slap her up in there.
Putting that out.